Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from Cheerful Planner Girl, and I got this during the TPC sale, so I'm excited to show it to you. I do have a code for her, and it is right there. And she will be in the next TPC sale, by the way, so I am so excited to show you this. Let me open it up. Okay, so first thing I want to show you, this was the freebie, and it does say that the next TPC sale is April 11th through the 15th, and she will be in it, and I do believe she will be 50% off. Isn't that cute? I love this freebie. And then, let's see, this was my freebie when you mentioned my name. We got new freebies, and I love, like, the arrow. We got to pick what we wanted, the heart with the arrow, and the little chick. And then Mommy Needs Her Coffee, of course. Bows are all me. Deposits me. I loved her gummy bear kit, and then her eyelashes. And then there's the full box. Isn't that cute? Love it. And there is my code, by the way. Again, just saying. And my Instagram name. She's so sweet to put that on there for me. All right, the first thing I got was the Hobonichi Weeks. Now look how cute is that. Perfection. Can I just say perfection? Complete and total perfection. I absolutely adore it. So you have your little full boxes, your day cover, some bows, some little, I want to say, let me make sure. Yep, little quarter boxes, your washi strips, your large washi strips, and then you have two thin washi strips right here. So that's your Hobonichi Weeks. Isn't that cute? So cute. And then I got, of course, I told you I just got done saying I love the gummy bears, so I had to get the gummy bear Hobonichi. And it is the same with the washies, day covers, your full boxes, quarter boxes, a little gummy bear, and then two strips. So cute. And then, let's see. This was the kits that I got. This is the Erin Condren Classical Vertical. How pretty is that? Your little washi strips, full boxes, some deco or functionals, and then a quarter box, long strip here. And then here's the other full boxes, days of the week, your half boxes, your washi strips, and then your little things today and to do, your headers with some full boxes, quarter boxes. Isn't that cute as a button? And then here are your day covers, or excuse me, here are your day dots. She gives you two different colors. And then here is some deco. And then some more deco. These will have the bows, birthday. Isn't that cute? Look, look. And it says happy birthday. Because this was her birthday kit for her birthday. And she loves mermaids. How cute is that? Adorable. I love this kit. Cannot wait to get you ready to use it. I will be using it soon, so be on the lookout for that. So definitely go check her out. Definitely go and check out the Planners Collaborative. Make sure that you are friends with them on Facebook. That way you know when they're going to have their sales, and also you can sign up to do some freebies by just asking some questions and getting some shop credits. So definitely go check out Cheerful Planner Girl. She is amazing. She has little tiny stickers as well that will fit perfectly in your hobos, if you do hobos, or even your TNs or personal planners. But she also has Erin Condren and Happy Planner to boot as well. All right, y'all, go check her out. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye.